Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen and I'm in Mama's Kitchen. I missed y'all, I'm glad to see you. See, you got my Georgia shirt on. You know what time of year it is. It is fall. It is fall. The leaves are falling everywhere. That means it's fall. I love football and I love warm, cozy food. Today we're doing a delicious oatmeal bake that has fresh pears and blueberries in it. It's a huge hit around my house. And it's got more ingredients than what y'all normally see me work with, but this is still your standard. You got plenty of time. You can do it at the house. You can even do it a day ahead if you like. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my oats, and y'all know that you'll find all these ingredients online. So cut me some slack, y'all. I can't keep up with everything. Brown sugar. There's some baking powder that's going in here. We have our ground cinnamon. We've got a little bit of salt that we're gonna add in here as well. And of course, nutmeg, just a tiny bit. Delicious for our oatmeal. When I was doing Home for Dinner, the television show that I shot out on Tybee years and years and years from years ago, we did an overnight oatmeal that you ate cold in the morning. And I really, really, really love that. But my boys really, really, really like warm oatmeal. So this is a good alternative, especially on these cold mornings. These first 5 ingredients I've got all mixed together. And next we're gonna start with our wet. We've got some milk. Delish. Got our butter. Got some eggs that we're mixing in here. And a jar of pear preserves.
They're thick.
They are thick. I love pear preserves. I believe that Mom made some pear preserves when I was younger, but it was mainly figs for us.
And Janie, if you can't find these in your grocery store, you can buy them online. I had to order them on Amazon.
So Teresa's ordered these online, so you might not be able to find these at your local market. Go to a little bit higher end market, and I bet you might be able to keep you some preserves. All right, those are thick. I think maybe this is a good time for us to take a break so I don't bore you to death. It's gonna take a couple of minutes for me to get this worked in, so don't be concerned. The pears come out really super thick. So y'all stick around. When we get right back, I'll have this done. We'll finish this puppy up. Okie dokie, y'all. I've got this mixed up pretty well. Now our next step is we're gonna combine our wet and our dry. So our pears, our milk, our butter, are going in with all of our dry ingredients. We'll just fold all this together. My brother eats oatmeal and loves it. And I promise you, I tried for a period of time. I made rolled oatmeal in the mornings because it's so good for you. But I just cannot get that into my daily regimen. I'm not a good eater, y'all. I'll admit it. I have found myself in the last few years, we get the boys all squared away and get them off to school, and I've been so busy working, I might not eat really a meal until 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening. So I've kind of done that intermittent fasting. But you know what, y'all? I've gotten old and my appetite isn't what it used to be. Now, we've got all this in mixed in together here. Now we're gonna fold in our fruit. I'm gonna start with the pears that Teresa has done for me this morning. Thank you, Teresa. Fresh pears.
You're welcome.
Fold these in. I'm doing these first because I don't want to beat my blueberries to death. Because if you can treat these blueberries, those are so pretty. And those are nice and firm. I could tell by the way they rolled out of that container. But if you got some soft ones, you really don't want to bust all these up because your whole berry's in there. So beautiful. Doesn't this look delicious?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna take this now and let's pour it into our greased pan. I mean, somebody needs to call Bobby Deen. There's gonna be enough oatmeal around here to feed 2 armies. I'm gonna try to distribute this as, I don't want all my dry in the middle and I don't want all my wet on the edges. Pull a little bit this in. I tell you, I could not be happier with how this looks. Okie dokie, y'all. It looks good to me. So what we're gonna do now, we've got our oven preheated at 350 degrees. So I'm gonna cover this with some tinfoil.
Can you put the butter on top of it too?
I
Little
think,
dot of butter?
let me see. Let me see. Let's figure it out together, y'all.
Okay.
We're gonna spoon into the prepared pan and cover it with foil. We bake it for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna take it off and then we're gonna add a little bit of butter and bake it for 10 more minutes. So this is it. The oven is 350. We've got all of our things together. This is gonna go in the oven for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna pull it out for some little kiss of butter in the last 10 minutes. Y'all stick around. We've been in 20 minutes. Ooh, it's firming up nice. Our blueberries are starting to swell up and get ready to pop. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter here on our oatmeal. And this has got another 10 minutes to go. We're just gonna get a little bit of butter right there on top, going right back into the oven and finish it for 10 minutes. Ooh, getting close, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Doesn't that look delish? Now let's see if I can't have a little taste without burning my face off. Ooh-wee. This looks fantastic. Now I'm thinking, what could I do? How about a little ice cream on our breakfast oatmeal? I'll wait till the camera's off to do that. This is gonna be so hot. It's gonna be so hot, y'all. I'm gonna taste a little bit. God, it is good. I love pears, and I really do love oatmeal. And I like it hot too. I don't think this needs one thing but about another hour to cool off so I don't cauterize my two lips together and I'll never be able to talk again. I'm Jamie Deen, y'all. This is good food. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Bye, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.